What's up, Madlang people, and welcome to my channel. Today is January 30th, 2023, and in this video, I'm going to show you the overview nature and culture park in Kipulot, Palacapao, Quezon, Bukidnon. Let's go! After the entrance, we're going to climb up maybe 100 steps to reach its view deck, and you will really be amazed with the spectacular view, and it's just amazing. Come on, let's check it out. Let's go to the view deck. And yes, this is now the view deck of the park, and look at the view. I was looking forward to see the intestine kind of road, but yeah, there are actually trees. You can't really see that unless you have a drone yourself. But the view is really amazing. It's a perfect place to relax, and it's good for barkada, for lovers. And yes, we've seen a lot of couples around. They're enjoying the view and at the same time spending quality time together. And it's nice. Yeah. So as you can see down there, there are trucks, cars, motorbikes, and there's even a bus. Yeah. I wish I had a drone. Maybe in the future. Okay. Well, yeah, those cars down there. But the mountain ranges really are very beautiful. And the plains down there, like the sugarcane plantation. Yeah, rice fields as well. And there are a lot of people during this time. Look at the farm. Really nice. And it's very soothing to the eyes. It's very green. I really like staying here, but I can't because I need to get back home. I have to work. Let me just stay for a couple of minutes more, okay? Come on, let's get down and see these beautiful sculpture here. They represent the native people in Bukidnon, and it's really great. And in this sculpture, I am reminded of my younger years. I don't know how to say maglubok og humay. That's what the sculpture is telling us. Mag-asod, maglubok og humay. Yeah, that one. And it's really beautiful. Only legends know. Okay, and there's still, I don't know, a couple of 100 steps going down. It is so green. And by the way, this park is for free. Everyone is welcome. And actually, I don't mind paying a few bucks, but the place is maintained and clean. It's just worth it. The place is beautiful, and that is for maintenance and cleanliness, because I see some rubbish around. So paying an entrance fee is really not bad at all. I wish everyone is a responsible tourist. And these are the models of the park. And these are the native inhabitants or the Manubo of Bukidnon. Idana, Idana. We're having a good time. Going down was easy. Now the climbing up is a struggle. There's also a very huge statue of Mama Mary. Look at the models of the mountain. Aha, subol ka. A few pauses and we go home. Look at these souvenirs. Well, actually at the entrance you can find some souvenir shops and that's it. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy your day.